How many trains you got there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17?
Yeah.
And Andrew said you had 5. You're a little low on that guess.
Can you get this truck on? I can't.
You can try.
Who wants to play jail? Anta. Alyssa?
Andrew, you go in jail because you're bad.
No, we gotta put these.
Ouch! Ouch! Ow! Ooh! Ow! What are you? Ow! Oh! Ow! Now you have to go to jail.
Yeah.
You better handcuff it. Oh, that's where those went.
No! Put your hands onto here. No. Oh, Alyssa, you're going to jail.
Hey, you don't hit.
Alyssa, you're going to jail.
Oh, am I?
Ooh, my baby. Yeah, baby.
Ow. Well, that's not a very nice way to pick up a baby.
How come this is?
Your other hand.
How come this is a church?
Hang on, let me. Oh, it's gonna cut off the circulation.
I'm not big. Nope. This and this.
Ouch! It's cutting off some circulation, but you know it's all good.
Hey. Hey.
I don't think the baby's gonna fit in there. Hey. Jeez. Got the baby in. Oh no, she fell out of the house.
Oh, I'm up the stairs. Oh, I need to go potty. Hey, my hat.
Okay, say bye.
Her hat blew off, and
Oh,
the window flew away.
The pillow?
Yeah.
You gotta say pillow, not pillow.